Welcome to this introduction to Cloud Functions, part of our GCP Compute series. In this video, we'll explore how Google Cloud Platform's serverless computing service enables developers to build and deploy applications without managing infrastructure. Cloud Functions represents a fundamental shift in how we approach application development in the cloud. Cloud Functions is a serverless execution environment that allows you to build and connect cloud services using event-driven code. The beauty of serverless computing is that you can focus entirely on writing your application logic, while Google Cloud handles all the operational infrastructure. You only pay for the actual execution time of your code, measured in milliseconds. When your function isn't running, you're not charged anything, making it extremely cost-effective for applications with variable workloads. Cloud Functions offers 4 key features that make it powerful. First, it provides automatic scaling that can go from 0 instances to thousands, depending on demand. Second, it's event-driven, meaning your functions are automatically triggered by events happening in your cloud environment. Third, it follows a pay-per-use pricing model where you're billed only for the time your code actually runs. And fourth, there's no server management required, allowing you to focus entirely on your code rather than worrying about infrastructure, patches, or updates. Cloud Functions supports multiple programming languages, giving developers flexibility in choosing their preferred runtime. You can write functions in Python, with support for versions 3.7 through 3.12. Node.js is supported from version 14 to 20. Go language is available from versions 1.16 to 1.21. Java is supported from versions 11 through 21. Ruby can be used from versions 2.6 to 3.2. And .NET Core is supported from version 3.1 through 8. This wide language support means teams can use their existing expertise without learning new technologies. Cloud Functions come in 2 main types. The first is HTTP functions, which are invoked through standard HTTP requests. These are perfect for building REST APIs or handling webhooks from external services. The second type is event-driven functions, which are automatically triggered by events occurring in other Google Cloud services. These can respond to changes in cloud storage, messages in PubSub, updates in Firestore, or other cloud events. This dual approach gives you flexibility in how you architect your applications. Let's look at a simple HTTP function written in Python. This function is called hello_HTTP and accepts a request parameter. It retrieves a name from the request arguments, defaulting to the string world if no name is provided. Then it returns a formatted greeting string. This entire function runs only when an HTTP request comes in, scales automatically based on traffic, and you only pay for the milliseconds it takes to execute. This simplicity is what makes Cloud Functions so appealing for building lightweight APIs and webhooks. Cloud Functions can be triggered by various Google Cloud services. Cloud storage triggers occur when files are uploaded, deleted, or archived in storage buckets. PubSub triggers respond to messages published to message queues, enabling asynchronous communication patterns. Firestore triggers activate when documents are created, updated, or deleted in your Firestore database. And Cloud Scheduler triggers allow you to run functions on a time-based schedule, similar to cron jobs. These diverse trigger options make Cloud Functions incredibly versatile for building reactive, event-driven architectures. Cloud Functions excel in several common scenarios. They're ideal for image processing tasks, such as automatically resizing or transforming images when they're uploaded to cloud storage. They work perfectly as webhook handlers, receiving and processing callbacks from external APIs and third-party integrations. For data processing, they can transform and analyze data streams in real time as information flows through your system. And they serve as excellent backends for chatbots, processing incoming messages and generating appropriate responses. These use cases demonstrate how Cloud Functions can handle diverse workloads while remaining simple to develop and cost-effective to run.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.